Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable and disable USB debugging on any Android phone. Simply go in settings, scroll down, go in about phone, again scroll down, go in software information. Here you can see build number. Tap 7 times on build number to enable the developer options. As you can see, developer mode has been enabled. Now go back, scroll down. Here you can see developer options is showing now. Simply tap on it, scroll down. Here you can see USB debugging. If you want to enable the USB debugging, simply tap on this toggle, tap on OK. Now if you want to disable the USB debugging, again tap on this toggle to disable it. This is how you can enable and disable USB debugging on any Android phone. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.